Hello. Through this video, I would like to talk to you about our upcoming online sales training program, Selling in COVID-19 Era. My name is Rakesh Shetty. I'm a B2B sales expert, consultant and trainer. I've been into sales for about 22 years now. For the last 5 years, I'm into sales training and consulting. I've done more than 100 sales training workshops, cons- consulting a lot of enterprises in Mumbai, and I've trained more than 2,500 sellers, B2B sellers. Why we are doing this selling in COVID-19 era sales training program? We are doing this training program to make sellers more efficient in a virtual selling environment. Today, we are not meeting our customers face to face. In order to maintain social distancing, we are engaging with our customers either over the phone or over virtual meeting platforms like Zoom, MS Teams, WebEx, and so on. Now, virtual selling is way different than face to face selling. Many of us, as sellers, have just merely adjusted from a face to face selling environment to a virtual selling environment. And I'll tell you that's not the right approach. Today, the market has become fiercely competitive. There are only few buyers who are making investments, and everyone is going after those buyers and aggressively positioning their products and services. So, for you as sellers, that puts tremendous pressure on you because there are, anyways, few opportunities that are there in your pipeline. Plus, now it has become fiercely competitive. So, you have to close those couple of opportunities which are there in your funnel. Plus, end of the day, you have to make it profitable also. Now, mere adjustments are not going to help you, which is where this program is designed for you. Selling in COVID-19 era is a program which will help you develop new opportunities in a tough business environment. It'll tell you how you can use LinkedIn to develop opportunities, engage with new buyers. It'll tell you how you can engage more efficiently in your existing opportunities in a virtual platform. How you can run meetings successfully. How you can get answers to all the questions that you have when you are engaging in any opportunity. And that too virtually. This training program is to equip you and make you more efficient as a virtual seller. It will show you how you can develop relationships even while you are engaging with a customer virtually. And that too, very strong relationships. See, for you to sell, you need to develop trust. This program will teach you how you can develop trust virtually. This session or this program is a 2-week program that we have designed. It has 4 sessions and we have priced it extremely competitive. Trust me, take this program and you will see a remarkable change in the way you will engage with your customers in virtual selling environment. Thank you, and I'll see you in our Selling in COVID-19 program.